If you're drowning in invoice jungles while building AI systems, this is your machete. Manual data extraction wastes 30% of your team's sprint cycles. Our CV NLP Fusion engine crushes layout variability, OCRs complex tables, normalizes vendor tax IDs, and auto classifies line items with BERT based context parsing. Whether you're an AI engineer battling PDF portfolios or an ML ops lead scaling document pipelines, this tool adapts to your stack. Say goodbye to the spreadsheet apocalypse and hello to invoice enlightenment. Here's what's inside the Building AI Invoice Processor skill. Our adaptive format engine learns document skeletons from sample batches. The real-time parser handles 200 plus pages per second with layout LM architecture. Multi-language OCR supports 18 financial dialects, including Chinese invoices with vertical text. Cloud-native deployment works serverless or Kubernetes sidecar modes. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, from medical billing to shipping manifests. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation, it's document intelligence unleashed. Installing the Building AI Invoice Processor skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building AI Invoice-processor. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert-level guidance and code templates pre-wired for PyTorch CUDA optimization. Your next Claude code session picks up the invoice schema definitions automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent X12 EDI standards and detects 99.3% of fraudulent duplicates. Don't worry, we'll refund your spreadsheet subscription fees. Now go build the invoice future, one tensor at a time.